Here is a quick guide on how to use your GoCalm device. Inside the box you'll find a quick start guide to help you get started, your GoCalm device, a USB charge cable and a detailed user manual. There's also a link to these instructions on our website. Be sure to check out the special discount offer on the back of the quick start guide. Before using your GoCalm, ensure it is fully charged by connecting the charge cable to the charge port at the bottom of the device. A full charge takes only 30 minutes. Avoid overcharging as this can damage the battery. On the side of your GoCalm you'll find three buttons: power, plus and minus. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until the device lights up. It will start on the lowest power setting. Slip your left hand through the cord and hold the device in your palm. For anxiety, insomnia and stress relief, it's important that you hold the GoCalm in your left hand. Position the ball point on the PC8 acupressure point, which is located where the tip of your middle finger touches the palm when you make a fist. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the power to a level which is comfortable. You should feel the gentle microcurrent pulses on your palm. If you don't feel the pulses immediately, increase the power and adjust the position until you find the correct spot. Close your hand and secure the GoCalm in place. Now simply lie down, close your eyes and relax. The device will automatically turn off after 20 minutes. To turn it off manually, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. For more information, please visit www.calmy.com.au.